Hey guys, it's Alyssa here. Welcome back to my channel. So today, if you haven't read the title already, I am going to do my first ever wash and go. And it's fall, so fall wash and go. And I'm going to be using the Main Choice Asian Egyptian 24 karat gold twisting gel for my styler. So this is going to be a journey for me, something new for me, because this is my first time I'm doing like a full out wash and go. I never did the full wash and go. I usually have like a bun and then have, out. Never like a full wash and go. So this is new to me. Alright, so if you guys haven't checked out the recent video, make sure you guys check that out as well. Give that a like and also give this video a like too. Let's get this video to 20 likes. Alright, make sure you guys are subscribed if you aren't subscribed already, and also turn on that notification bell so you can be notified when I post. Comment down below also what else you would like me to do, what product you would like me to use next for my next wash and go, and let's just go ahead and get started with this video. And as you can see, I already have my hair already shampoo, conditioned, deep conditioned, got the leave-in in, got my cream in, got my oil in, and then now it's just, section 4s on how I want my hair to be styled, I guess I could say, or how I want my part, because I got my part here, and then it's gonna fall here, all of that. So, and then I got my trusty aloe vera juice, just to refresh if my hair gets dry, and then I'll just be applying the product as I go. Alright, so I think I'm gonna start on this section in the back first, because I like starting from the back and then working front. You see those curls? See, that's what it looks like. So I'll go ahead and apply the product here first, and then just kind of have it fast forward so you guys won't watch the full routine, but you'll get the gist of it. And then I'll check back with you guys once it's all complete. And I'm starting at my ends and going up. And that's my curls. They're clumping up pretty well. And here's how it looks. Now I'm about to go ahead and just tame these edges. I'm going to use the Main Choice Type 4 Leaf Clover. If you didn't know, this blows Eco Styler, all the other gels out the water. Get you some of this. Best believe, get you some of this. See that? Look at that. Lay to the gods. Got that swoop, swoop, baby, swoop. What eco styler or what gel do you know can do that? I'll wait. Let me know. Because this one right here, woo! If you know any other ones that's just as good, just comment down below. I laid them down. They sticky real good. So now I'm about to go and sit in front of my cold fan, let this air dry, you know, as much as possible. You can see the shrinkage. Hopefully it won't shrink too much, but you can see the shrinkage going on. But I'll be back to you guys once my hair is at least 80% dry or dried. Alright, and here is the finished product. It's about, I'll say 95% dry. It's just still wet underneath. But it shrunk up just a little bit. So I guess tomorrow I'll like pick it out a little bit. Give it some volume. Pump it up. But it looks really nice. It has a slight hold to it, which is nice because once I put it in pineapple and use my pick to pick it out, most likely it's going to be soft tomorrow. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give a big thumbs up, get this video to 20 likes, and also subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. What you waiting for? Join the gang. But make sure you guys follow me on my other social medias, my Instagram Melissa18, Twitter 18Alyssa, and my Snapchat Buttercream Alyssa. Why do I keep doing that? I do that at a time. Buttercream18 for my Snapchat. Okay? Alright. But if you guys tried this product out, let me know. Comment down below. And what else you guys would like me to do. But until next time, you guys. Bye.